Welcome back to our video vocabulary series. Today's term is capitulation, and it's your girl Chrissy Pips. Now remember, this is the place where we go over beginner Forex and crypto trading terminology, and I'm going to define and explain the terms for you one by one. Now, don't forget to like the video if you're enjoying the content, share so that somebody else can get some value from it, and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on what's next. But as always, if you're here, you're interested, so let's get into it. Now, today's term is capitulation. It's definitely one that we have heard quite a bit considering the current state of cryptocurrency. Now, capitulation is an event where cryptocurrency investors abandon their positions by selling their assets as quickly as possible. As a result of massive selling activity, capitulation is often marked by a sharp decline in crypto prices. The price of the assets continue to drop until a bottom is reached. Now, I know you're like, Chrissy, well, when is the bottom? How do we know? Even if we could identify a turning point in the market with a high level of certainty, there are very few people brave enough to enter at the point that we're at the bottom, at those lows, right? This selling climax shakes out all the weak hands in the market. It wipes out those who finally lost their patience with the market, and it removes speculative money from the market because people think that the risk has gotten way just too great for the reward. But moving right along, I did want to add that note in there. Like, we can kind of determine what the bottom is when we start seeing that turnaround, but there's no real way to say when we're at the bottom. But many miners keep some or all of the Bitcoin that they mine in order to sell them in a bull market and get max value for them to make up for their losses. The thinking in a miner capitulation scenario is that as the price drops and some miners are forced offline, they will sell these reserve Bitcoin, causing the price to drop even further. Okay? Now, there are two important features to identify climax selling. And the first is a rapid acceleration in the speed of a market fall. Okay? The market first rolls over slowly and then plunges on a vertical decline, right? That's just fear at work, though. Now, the second feature is a massive increase in volume, and this is just panic. Ordinary people are desperate to get out of the market. Generally, hedge funds and institutions got out of like their buy positions or their long positions many months ago in the market, right? The current panic selling is just thousands of small orders from retail investors desperate to get out of the market. So that's kind of what capitulation looks like. It's just a mass exodus. It includes things like stocks too. You'll see it in stocks. You'll see it in bonds, commodities. Anywhere where people just lose faith in the assets, you're going to see a mass exit, and it's going to create a capitulation scenario. Now, don't forget that there is going to be a course that I'm doing for crypto security. It's going to be July 30th. The encore presentation is going to be the same class, but the encore is going to be on August 7th if you can't make the 30th. So go ahead and go here. You can actually click the link in the description box below and go ahead and register for the class. I'll see you guys there. I hope you guys enjoy this content. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know if you are. And as always, I hope you're having an absolutely amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.